Hello students, welcome to my class. I am your Hina ma'am and today we will discuss the legendary equations and functions. So in the last class we have discussed the generating function of Legendre's polynomial. So today we will discuss Legendre's function of first kind, that is equal to Pn of x. So I have here n is a positive integer, and what is the value of a0? A0 is given by 1, 3, 5 and so on to n minus 1 divided by n factorial. The solution of equation, that is generating equation, is denoted by Pn of x, and this is called Legendre's function of first kind. And it is given by Pn of x is equal to 1, 3, 5 to n minus 1 divided by n factorial into bracket x raised to n minus n into n minus 1 x raised to n minus 2 divided by 2 into 2n minus 1 plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 into x raised to n minus 4 divided by 2 4 to n minus 1 2n minus 3. And Pn of x is a terminating series and gives what are called legendary polynomials for different values of n. So in generally we can write this as Pn of x is equal to summation r is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 to the power r to n minus 2r factorial x raised to n minus 2r divided by 2 raised to n r factorial n minus 2r factorial into n minus r factorial. So this is the generating function. After solving generating function, we will get the Legendre's function, that is Legendre's function of first kind. And where n by 2 value, this n by 2 values is n by 2 whenever n is even, and it is n minus 1 divided by 2 whenever n is odd. Okay, so Legendre's function of second kind, it is denoted as Qn of x. So whenever a0 is n factorial divided by 1, 3, 5 so on to n plus 1, my Qn of x will be like n factorial divided by 1, 3 so on to n plus 1 into bracket x raised to minus n minus 1 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 to the power minus n minus 3 divided by 2 into 2n plus 3 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 divided by 2 4 to n plus 3. And Qn x is a terminating series as n is a positive number. So this is x raised to minus n minus 1 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 x raised to minus n minus 3 divided by 2 into 2n plus 3 plus n plus 1 n plus 2 n plus 3 into x raised to minus n minus 5 divided by 2 4 to n plus 3. So Qn of x is a non-terminating series as n is a positive number. So the most general form of Legendre's equation is if we combine Pn and Qn, that is Legendre's function of first kind and Legendre's function of second kind, with some arbitrary constants like a and b, we will get the general solution of Legendre's equation, and that is we can write it as y is equal to a into Pn x plus b into Qn of x. So this is all about Legendre's equation. Now I will discuss the Rodriguez formula. So what is this Rodriguez formula? We have the theorem like derived Rodriguez formula. Pn of x is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to n factorial into d raised to n divided by dx raised to n into x square minus 1 to the power n. So what is the value of y? I will take my y is equal to x square minus 1 to the power n. To find out the corresponding differentiations. So after differentiating dy upon dx, I will get x raised to n. We have to apply the differentiation of x raised to n, so that is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1, isn't it? So that differentiation I will apply here. So I will get dy upon dx is equal to n as it is x square minus 1 to the power n minus 1, again differentiate x square minus 1, that is equal to 2x. So my dy upon dx will be equal to n into x square minus 1. So this power can be written as n into minus 1, isn't it? So that is x square minus 1 to the power n into x square minus 1 to the power minus 1. So I will take that x square minus 1 to the power minus 1 to the denominator side. I will get x square minus 1 into 2x as it is. So I will take this x square minus 1 to the LHS side. This will be multiplication with dy by dx, and that is equal to 2nx into x square minus 1 to the power n. So we can write this as x square minus 1 into dy by dx, that is equal to 2nx. And what is the value of x square minus 1 to the power n? That is nothing but y. So we'll differentiate the above equation, that particular equation, n plus 1 times by the Leibniz theorem for differentiation. So what is the Leibniz theorem for differentiation? Whenever I have two functions like u and v, my nth derivative of y will be equal to nc0 un v plus nc1 un minus 1 v dash. So what is this un? Nth derivative of v. And what is this v dash? First derivative of v. Similarly, n minus 1th derivative of u, first derivative of v, n minus 2th derivative of u, double derivative of v, and the continuation part, and the last term will be ncn u as it is v raised to n, that is nth derivative of v. So after applying the same theorem for the particular result, that is this result, I will apply the Leibniz theorem. I will get x square minus 1, that is u as it is n plus 1th derivative of dy by dx. मतलब तो कंसिडर यहाँ पे हम लोग n प्लस 1 टाइम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, तो n टाइम हो जाएगा un, तो n प्लस 1th टर्म टाइम्स हो जाएगा un प्लस 1. एंड सिंस I already have the first derivative, that is dy by dx, so I will write it as n plus 2 plus n plus 1 c1 derivative of n plus 1 with respect to x into differentiation of x square minus 1, that is equal to 2x, plus n plus 1 c2 dn y by dx raised to n into differentiation of 2x will be 2, that is equal to 2n as it is x into dy by dx raised to n plus 1, that is, so this can be written as n plus 1 c1 d raised to n y by dx raised to n into 1, that is differentiation of x is 1. So again write it as x square minus 1 into d raised to n plus 2 y divided by dx raised to n plus 2 plus what is the value of n plus 1 c1, that is equal to n plus 1, derivative of n plus 1 y divided by dx raised to n plus 1 into 2x plus n plus 1 c2 will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into dn y by dx raised to n into 2 as it is 2n, x as it is dn plus 1 y by dx raised to n plus 1, n plus 1 value is n plus 1 dn y by dx raised to n. So x square minus 1 into dn plus 2 y by dx raised to n plus 2 plus 2nx, because multiplying this particular term with n plus 1, so I will get 2nx into dn plus 1 y by dx raised to n plus 1 into 2x into 1 will be 2x, with this plus n into n square plus n divided by 2, and 2 will get cancelled and will get n square plus n into dn y by dx raised to n. So that simplification is here. Multiply 2n with the inside the bracket functions, so I will get here 2nx dn plus 1 divided by dx raised to n plus 1 plus 2n square dn y by dx raised to n plus 2n dn y by dx raised to n. So consider here both the sides I have the same function as it is, same term, so we can cancel. And what are the left out terms here? X square minus 1 dy n plus 2 divided by dx n plus 2 plus 2x dn plus 1 y by dx n plus 1 plus n square and the other terms. So consider after simplifying the terms, I will get here x square minus 1 dn plus 2 y by dx raised to n plus 2 plus 2x dn plus 1 y by dx n plus 1 minus n. I will get here n dn y by dx raised to n plus dn y by dx raised to n is equal to 0. So again simplify, we will get 1 minus x square dn plus 2y by dx n plus 2 minus 2x dn plus 1 y by dx n plus 1 plus n plus 1 dn y by dx raised to n is equal to 0, which is the Legendre's equation. Its solution is, we can write z is equal to c into Pn of x. So what is the value of z here? After putting z is equal to dn y by dx raised to n, and dz z is nothing but c into Pn of x. So this value is equal to c Pn of x. I will call it as equation number 1, where my c is arbitrary constant. And after applying the same term in here, that is my z is dn y by dx raised to n, so my dn plus 2 y by dx raised to n plus 2 will become, so we can write dn plus 2 y by dx raised to n plus 2 as d square by dx square into bracket d raised to n y by dx raised to n, that is second derivative of nth derivative of dy by dx. तो इसका मतलब व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस टर्म, दिस इज नथिंग बट z, isn't it? तो आई कैन राइट डी स्क्वेयर जेड बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर, तो दैट इज नथिंग बट डी स्क्वेयर जेड बाई डी एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस 2x into this will be first derivative of z dz by dx plus n plus 1, but this is the value of z and that is equal to 0. After substituting x is equal to 0, my this term will get vanish, and what is this value? C into Pn of x, and that is equal to dn y by dx raised to n at x is equal to 1. तो मेरा C वैल्यू हो जाएगा dn y by dx raised to n at x is equal to 1. तो C value is nothing but what is the value of y? My y is x square minus 1 to the power n. तो इसको हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं अभी? x square minus 1 is nothing but x square minus 1 square and that is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1, isn't it? So that is I have written like this, and that is equal to n factorial into x plus 1 raised to n plus terms containing x minus 1, x is equal to 1. तो x plus 1 to the power n whenever x is equal to 1, तो a हो जाएगा 2 raised to n because 1 plus 1 2 raised to n, c is equal to n factorial 2 raised to n. तो इक्वेशन 1 से क्या हो जाएगा? Pn of x is equal to 1 by c dn y by dx raised to n. What is the value of y? X square minus 1 to the power n, and what is the value of c? 2 raised to n divided by n factorial. And this is the Rodriguez formula. And tomorrow we'll discuss some more concepts in the chapter number 3, and we can proceed further. So thank you.